Mr. Wash, it's raining cats and dogs. I saw it. A cat almost fell on my pillow.
Ha ha ha. Milo, that's a funny English expression. It's raining cats and dogs.
But why would someone say that? Cats don't fall from the sky, do they?
Only one way to find out. Magic amulet. Take us to the truth.
Wah! I'm a mud-living lemur now. And was that a cat on the roof?
Exactly. Back then, people didn't have cozy homes for their pets. Sometimes cats and dogs stayed on rooftops or in the streets. When it rained really hard, like now, animals would fall or get washed away.
Wait, so it actually did rain dogs?
Well, not from the clouds, but people said it's raining cats and dogs to mean it's raining really hard, like animals flying everywhere hard.
I just saw a flying guinea pig. I'm not joking.
Maybe it's a speaking guinea pig. They tell you what funny phrases mean.
Correct! It's raining cats and dogs is just an expression, kids. No actual animals are falling.
That was the coolest rain adventure ever, and I used to think language was boring.
Language is like a treasure, full of surprises, silly pictures, and stories from long ago. Some expressions are little time machines.
And I'm keeping the guinea pig. I'll call him Sir Squeak-a-lot.
Just don't take him out during a thunderstorm, Milo.
Kids, now you know more about flying cats and dogs. Take care and stay curious. Watch out! Guinea pig incoming!